What's good, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we are going to be looking at our outlook for the week. That's what we're going to be discussing today on gold and BTC, so we can see how we are going to extract profit from the market. So please, if you are just new to this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get bigger, let's get better. So let's dive into the chart and see what this week has for us. So guys, we are currently looking at gold. We are currently looking at gold, the daily time frame. So as we know, or as we all know, gold is bullish, and as you can see, it's clear, it's bullish to the upside. So this was the range it was in. Then I remember when I was telling you guys that we have to wait for a break. If the market was going to fall down, we have to wait for it to break about here or so you can be sure that okay, yes, this market wants to fall to the downside. And most definitely we knew it was going to break to the upside, because I mean, this gold and buys, it's just, they are like brothers. So currently, you guys have seen it. So currently, this is what we have. We had an ascending triangle. It's a continuation pattern, so we know that this trend is going to continue, right? So we are going to mark out the zone, or the, what they call it, the zone. Yeah, we're going to mark it out to see how well it will push to the next level. So currently we know that gold is going to get up to 3,883 per ounce, right? So what do we do now? We are currently open to buying gold, and we have all these pips to the upside. Some people are already in from here. So currently we still have about 26,000 points. 26,000 points. Yeah, 26,000. So how do we take advantage of it? We come to the lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame, to see if we are still in trend. Now, one thing with gold is that sometimes when it's buying like this, it might not come back. To be honest, it might not just come back. It might just create around here and go. Normally, I'm expecting a nice fall, but it looks like it's not even going to come back. So how are we going to take advantage of this trade? Once we come to the 4-hour and the 1-hour, we have to make sure they are both in line with the higher time frame, which is buy. And as you can see, we're still buying here, or we're still in the buy movement here. So we just have to plot our trend lines. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get the zoom for it. And just plot our trend lines like this, just like this. Wait for the third touch, or we use the counter trend line. But because I don't think gold might retrace, though it might or it might not, but it's just for us to be watchful and be careful. You can use your structure, to those who use structural breaks, and all, you can use that. The main purpose of this is to be able to first of all see the movement of the market, to see the higher time frame perspective. That's the first key of this. So currently we're expecting maybe a third touch about here. You could possibly do a third touch around here also, and you could possibly get in our next entry. So you can use your fib zone to get your next take profit target. I mean, this market can come around here. Doesn't mean it's going to go all up. Come around here, push to this upside like this, and come down here, or anywhere around here before it picks again to the upside. Do you get what I'm saying? Before it picks again to this point. So you have to be careful while you are buying. Do you get? So you always have to know, if you are a day trader, you always have to know when to get out with your profit or when to leave with your profit. So long as the market is still going up to this point, you have to just be able to know when to extract your profit, when to get in, and when to come out of the market. So you can use your fib zones to, just like this. Let me show you guys. Just like this one that happened here on Friday. So as you can see, this was a fib zone. You can see A to B to C to D, then to the next zone. As you can see, it has hit the full take profit. So around here, some people are already out, patiently watching, or they've already closed out about 80% of their positions, currently waiting to know what the market could do next. You get, in case it's not going to drop, in case it's going to create another zone from here to continue climbing, or in case it's going to drop to the downside. I didn't get into this trade because it happened on a Friday around NFP, and I don't have any business with news. I'm not I'm not in for anything new. So this was a third touch here. So I mean that's why we had this zone, then this zone. So that could be a potential point for you, or you wait for counter trend lines. If it retraces to the downside a bit, draw your counter trend line and you get it. So that's that on gold. That is our outlook for gold for this week. So let's check BTC because I only trade mainly gold and Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. This is, let me go to the 4 hour. So currently, like if you watch my last video, you see when I took this trade here about here and I talked about it when I said I was going to take out 70% of operations here. Then I took the rest around here. So that's just it for BTC. And I told you guys to my concerns. I mean, this is crypto. This is one of the crazy part of crypto. My concerns was this fifth zone, and as you can see, it looks like it's respecting it. It has broken this counter trend line, or this trend line that was holding the sell to keep going down. So it looks like the market has switched sides to the buy side. But currently, I'm still sitting on my hands because it has not broken this high. I mean, it was a high, a low. The market has to break this high to be sure that okay, yes, we are no longer selling. For the next, can see, it looks like more like an equal high or just slightly still above this current high. So I don't know yet. So I'm still sitting on my hands for Bitcoin. So I mean, that's just all I have for this week. So I'm mainly focused on gold and I'm mainly checking out gold. So any trade I take on gold, I'm going to definitely share it here. But this is just the outlook for this week. Today is September 8th, Monday. So this is our outlook for the week, and let's see how it goes. So our prediction for gold is 3,893 pounds. So all right, guys, thank you so much for watching that amazing video. So like I said before, if you're just new to this channel, do well to like, share and subscribe. Let's get bigger, let's get better. So I hope we're able to learn one or two, and I hope we're able to make profit this week, or we'll be able to make profit this week from the market and extract from this gold. And I'm happy we all see that we can be able to see the market from the higher time frame perspective. We can be able to project our next move and our next future. Like I said, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.